they do say hiccups are contagious.
I don't have mine anymore. Do you have yours?
I think I'm not for sure.
It's funny you had hiccups until I turned the camera. Oh, you still got hiccups. You got hiccups? Fix your shirt strap. No, it's on your shoulder. Yeah, there you go. Boo. Boo, hiccup.
Sarah, do this.
Why, what's that do? Try drinking water backwards.
Sometimes it's just a...
I never heard of that before. It's a
something to
third
take.
vertebrae in your neck, usually.
Oh, I know that.
How do they do that? If you drink it this way, it's going to spill all over you. There's some way you can drink water backwards out of a cup, and it takes away the hiccups, but you can't do it this way because it'll spill everywhere. I can't remember the trick. You still got hiccups?
Yes.
Boo. There's an ostrich over your shoulder. Didn't scare you? Hippopotamus. Who's that guy behind you? Who's that guy behind you? He ain't looking. Boo. Still got hiccup my gip ups. You hiccup? What's your middle name? Hiccup? Yeah. Boo. Alright, no more hiccups. I scared him out of you. Take another sip of water. You care if I post this hiccup video? Try fixing her strap. How come she don't know how to fix it? Did you get it? It just looks better that way. What the heck? I was just trying to remember how they do that. They say if you hold the glass of water so it's actually backwards. But that would be wrong because it would dump all over your shirt.
Yeah.
I can't remember how the heck that is. I just can't think. I'll have to watch a hack video. Alright, you got the bill? You got the bill, Sarah?
Have that and that much sense with me.
You don't have that much sense? Did you hear what she said?
Okay, I have like a million zillion cents.
You got a bunch of pennies?
Yes.
Alright, I think you're done hiccuping. That's funny. Okay, that's the end of the hiccup video. Maybe not. A couple more hiccups? Laughing will get you to stop. How many more hiccups you got in there? Too long a video for TikTok. No more hiccups? My goodness, that's 4 minutes of hiccups because they started the video late. Jesus. Try going like this with your neck. Alright, no more hiccups. You don't have any more hiccups, do you?
I just got one.
Uh-huh. Is your name Hiccup? We're gonna start calling you Hiccups. Alright, alright. Okay, anything you want to say about this video? I hope you like my hiccup video.
I'm still happy.
I know, but I'm not gonna record anymore. That's something. 4 minutes is enough hiccup video. Boo.
This is the longest I've ever had it.
Okay, that's enough hiccups.